gotta say this. I've been a vegan for 7 years, right? And at this point, when I go into the grocery store, into the deli section, I smell the fried chicken. It smells like ass. You won't know. A lot of things like steak smells good. Pigs smell fucking greasy. It's like weird. But chicken, I can remember like a Publix chicken. There was times when it would just run through me. I get it. The texture, the crunch, the taste of the bread, and when you throw the hot sauce, but the rest of it smells like ass. Have fun with that.